Alright, today we are in beautiful Anna Bay, or just out of Anna Bay on close to Birubi beach, and we're about to do a sand dune adventure. We're going to go climbing up some big sand dunes and then riding and surfing down them, so it should be lots of fun. Looking forward to it, and it's a beautiful day, not too hot, so let's go. Feeling you're ready to go? Whoa! Kai, what do you think, mate, of your first experience?
Really good.
What do you think, Tam?
It was fun.
Alright, now I've got the big walk back up the top of the hill, huh? Okay, Kai, so we've just gone down one of the bigger hills you can go down around here. How's it feel?
Good.
Come on, you're not saying much. For once. Hey, let's go! Kai's off, good? Good job, mate. Your turn, Am. Kai's ripping it up. Good job, mate. Good job, Am. Well done. You're doing great. And she hollers the whole way down the hill. Good job. Alright, here we go. Woo! Woo! Right into dash. Good job.
I don't want to walk back up.
Why not?
It's hard. I've walked up twice.
Good job, Mum. So, how's it feel when you get to the bottom? You look a little bit concerned about halfway along.
I thought I was going to fall over one of those big holes up the top.
Okay.
Yeah, it was fun. I enjoyed videoing everyone.
Used as incriminating evidence later.
Yes! Yes, buy me ice cream or it will be on Facebook.
Look at that. Look at it go. Well, look at this view. This is like about 10 o'clock, 10:30 on a Sunday morning here. It's nice and cool today. You can just see the colours of the sky over the Worimi Sand. These are some of the biggest sand dunes in the Southern Hemisphere. And, yeah, what a great place to go sandboarding. Go again, it was fun. Pretty good leg workout too, by the way. This is not an experience that you would do if you don't like getting dirty or getting in touch with the earth or whatever, because yeah, you will get sand everywhere, all over the place. But I gotta tell you, it is heaps of fun. I'm gonna try a little bit of sand surfing this time, see if I can actually stand up on the board. All I gotta do is just try and stay on 2 feet, which, to be brutally honest, is hard for me to do on flat normal ground anyway. Good job, buddy. Yay! Oh my God, first time! What do you think of your brother's duet there?
It's really good. I think it's easy for the things on that, so then you don't like fall off.
Doing great! Yay! That wasn't caught on GoPro. Definitely rode it all the way, right? And see that little pathway thing there? Well, that was all mine, baby. Without falling off. Woohoo! See if I can beat Emily up the hill. She's way out in front of me. I'm catching up. Got a foot! Got a foot! Ah! Confident you can beat your sister and yours truly?
Well, I'm definitely feeling confident that I'm going to beat you.
No, I'm not going.
Yes, you are. Because if you guys don't do it, I mean, you don't get a Anabe sausage roll with cheese in it. You know how good they are? Big little guy. Big mouth. Yeah. Come on, Michelin's big. Yes, again! Oh no! Did you hear an echo? I believe in you. Let's go. Look at that. Good girl. Good girl. Yes! Well done. Let's go with take 2 of sand surfing with Tim. I don't think I'll be making a demonstration video anytime soon on YouTube, but it's not my fault, it's the sand. How you feeling? You good to go? Yeah. Here's the last run of the day for Big Kai. Ready? He's on the board, we're ready, mate. From the top, a little bit of the bunny hop there, getting things going. There you go. Bend the knees, buddy. Looking good. Good job. Really, really good job. Nice finish as well. Shit. That just about wraps up our day here in the Worimi Sand with Sand Dune Safaris, doing a bit of sandboarding and sand surfing. A lot of fun. If you're ever in the neighbourhood, definitely recommend that you check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe.